You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce those two words and what is the difference between enunciation and pronunciation. What is the difference in meaning? So first of all, pronounce, enunciate. Enunciate, some say it as enunciate as well, it's also correct. Now to pronounce is to pronounce the different letters within a word correctly. So pronounce a word correctly, as in pronunciation, for example. That's pronunciation, okay? To enunciate is to articulate your words and the meaning of your phrases or your sentences clearly so as to be understood clearly, okay? So to pronounce is just the way you form the sounds of each and every word, okay? That's the pronunciation. The enunciation is how you explain the meaning of what you're saying and you convey a genuine and clear message in your speech. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.